He's such a dick.
Who's going to?
Mine, sorry.
How do you have friends?
What?
He doesn't. No one likes him. We just abuse him for the fact that he can drive.
If I had known someone back home that made chicken noises, I don't know.
You'd stay away from them. It's not what you do.
He can't help himself
I've
now.
been to my mate's house who has chickens, and it just sounds like that. It's the chickens that mill around just go. There's someone up my road. I live in a town, and there's someone just up my road that has a cockerel in their backyard. I was cycling past their house. I was like, shit, I just showed you all my cars, but you didn't look.
It's the 7 and the 8 and the 2.
Yes, it's your game. I think he's trying to tell us that he's getting broody.
He's about to lay an egg, that's what it is.
He's going to sit up and there's going to be a lump in his trousers.
You just hit it and go. Push Tipler, push.
It should be a KFC meal, just comes out.
You cannibal.
Where's it my go?
Yes, it's your game.
Thank you very much. Such a cracking up yourself.
It's just fucking stupid, that's why.
You're the stupid idiot. Clucking.
I love these adverts.
You ain't hurt. You're pathetic.
Oh, he's learnt me advert.
Give enough on the clucking now.
No,
Or have you laid your egg?
Give him a minute.
No, I just pissed off. I needed that fucking free.
Oh, help me out here, come on.
Yeah, someone help me out as well. You put all the fucking cars down I needed.
Calm down.
Ah, yes. Stop fucking rummy.
Ah, Liam. I wasn't far off. 3 kings, 3 jacks, and a
I
queen.
needed that, and I could have done it.
He didn't.
Oh, steady
Your
on.
deal, Liam. I'm gonna go speak to Guy and ask him what he's up with his sexuality.
Tip.
What?
Do you know what's funny?
He's got a smile on his face already.
I recorded about 5 minutes of that clucking.
That's cool.
So he's got all of us talking in it as well.
Yes, but mainly him clucking. Since my phone's been in my legs. So I'll stop it now.